Hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn about sets in Python, and as we discussed in our last video, sets is also a collection in Python, and we discussed about list in last video, and if you haven't watched that video I'll provide the link in the description, and to access our Python playlist I'll provide the link also. So without wasting time, let's start. So sets is also a sets is also a collection, and it will do the same thing as list, but the assignment will be changed, and there will be no index of elements, and there will be no particular order in which the elements are printed. So let's code it, and here is the variable x, and the lists are assigned as square brackets, and the sets will be assigned by curly brackets, and there will be no limitations of what type of data type is stored in the sets. We can here, so in this set I have implemented, I have stored a string, a number, and a boolean, and I'll print it to show that it is executable. I'll save it and run it. See, first it is printed as true, then 2, then first. Now I'll run it again, and let's see what type of order this will print now. True to first, and again same. It is printing the same order, but the order is random because it is unordered. I don't know why it is printing same, but obviously it is unordered, and you can check it on Google also. I'll check. See, first true to under. Now the order is changed. So as I said, it is unordered, and it is executed inside the curly bracket. And same as list, you can calculate the length by using the len function. I'll save it and run it. Its length will be 4. And as specified, you can add any type of data type inside a set, and there is no particular index in sets. Let me show you. Print x of 0. Save. See, it will throw an error to you because there are no indexes in sets. So I'll simply comment out this line. So I think that's all about sets because it is just a collection and it is simple, and this is what we can do. And there is one more thing, that if or when a set is created, you cannot add or change the value inside that set. It is set to be fixed values once it is created. So that's all about set, and that was all about the video. And in our next video we will learn about tuples, which is also a collection in Python. So guys, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.